Guys, so today I'm here back again with a brand new video as always. So today's topic is different than other videos that I make. So today I'm going to talk about why you should not do sub for sub. So let's begin. So guys, point number one, you should not do sub for sub, because if you will do sub for sub, YouTube will consider your channel and comments as spam, and which it will be not shown to other people on whose videos you comment. So some people may be commenting on my videos that subscribe to our channel, but I cannot see their comments, so don't get mad at me if you come and subscribe and I don't. So guys, that was the only one reason that you should not do sub for sub, and the other reason you should not do sub for sub is that your channel will be considered as spam and it will be not featured as much as other average channels are featured. And guys, the subscribers that will subscribe to your channel from sub for sub will not be active on your channel and will not like your videos, comment or view your videos. So YouTube will say like, this channel is not getting views and comments, this is irrelevant, and people on subscribers are not watching him, so we should not feature him, so your channel will not get featured. These are main reasons that you should not do sub for sub, and if these reasons will occur on your channel, then your channel will be probably dead. So guys, that was it, that you should not do sub for sub. And so guys, that was it, that why you should not do sub for sub, and sub for sub stops the growth of your channel. And that was it for today's video. On 1st August, I am announcing the winner of YouTube Starter Kit giveaway, which includes a profile picture for your channel, a channel banner, and a channel intro, outro with your name written on it. I will DM you on Insta, all that stuff, or I will send you on Facebook Messenger. So all you have to do to win the giveaway is to smack a like, leave a comment down below that I am in, and follow me on my social medias. The links are in the description. I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Peace out. Not do sub for sub.